In this lesson, I am going to show you how to zoom in on a particular part of an image in Premiere Pro. So right here on my timeline, I have this video clip. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on the image in the preview, and then the image will be highlighted. All you need to do is to move this anchor right here. So any part of the image you want to zoom in on. So let's say this part, for example, this mountaintop right here. After placing my anchor right there, I'm going to head over to Effects Control, and then I'm going to modify the scale value. So right here, I'm going to add a keyframe, move the playhead a few seconds into the clip, and then add another keyframe. Let's increase this to about 120. Now, when I move the playhead to the beginning of the clip, and then I play this back, you see that the zoom is going in the direction of the anchor. Now, if I change the position, right now I'm going to move the anchor to this tree top right here. Now, when I play this back, you see the direction has changed as well. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and also do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Thank you.